Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can list the NFTs as well as how to write the contracts as well as test the contracts using the JavaScript using Hardhat framework. Okay, so let's get into the video. First is this is our contract. Okay, I just want to say what is going on here. So this is the license. I don't know why it's MIT. So MIT means open source. Anyone can use this contract. And then this is the Pragma Solidity, to mention the version of the Solidity which we are going to use. And I will come back to this later. And we are creating a constructor, okay, of name ETHDaddy, which extends this module, okay, ERC721, which is present inside the OpenZeppelin package. So in order to use this ERC721 standard, we have to import this OpenZeppelin package. So that's what this line means. Hope so now we are clear with this line. After that, let's move on to the constructor. Okay, basically in order to understand what's going on in a contract, you should first go into the constructor. Okay, so inside the constructor we are getting the name as well as the symbol, and we are just passing into ERC721. So this standard also already have a constructor, okay, which requires two things. One is the name as well as symbol, so that's what we are passing here. And also we have to track the owner, right? So that's why owner is equal to message.sender. This MSG is a global variable. Okay, so with the help of the sender attribute, we are getting the owner's address, and this owner variable is being defined here. So it's been public, so that while testing it, we can call this owner function. Clear? Okay, we'll come back to other steps later. So what we have seen now is the Solidity contract, but in order to validate this Solidity contract, we should test the contract, right? So that's why usually to test the contract we write the code in JavaScript. So here you can see inside test, you can see ethdaddy.javascript. So when I click this, let me before save this one. Yeah, so inside this we are using three packages. One is the chai for using the expect, and as well as the ETH in order to get the addresses from the blockchain. And let's see what are the functionality of ETH we are using inside this testing. And we also use Mocha, which is already present inside the Hardhat. So by the way, we are using the Hardhat framework. So if you don't know how to install the Hardhat framework, comment in this video so that I can create a dedicated video for it. So let's move on to this one. So this is a function which is not used now, but in the future we will use it while updating the payments. We used to use this token. It converts WAVE to the ETH. So WAVE is nothing but the smallest unit. So we'll see in the upcoming classes. But now inside the ETHDaddy, okay, let's see this deployment. Okay, before this deployment, we should have to get the ETHDaddy contract from this contract. Here you can see ETHDaddy contract. So we have to extract that contract in our JavaScript. So that's why we are using get contract factory, which is the function that is derived from Hardhat. Okay, now after getting that, we have to deploy the contract, right? So that's why we are using .deploy, and while deploying it, we have to pass two things. Don't forget, we have to pass two things. One is the name as well as the symbol to the contract constructor. After that, with this ETHDaddy, you can call the functions that are available inside the contract. So first we are calling the name and checking if the name is ETHDaddy, And second, we are calling the symbol and checking if the symbol is ETHD. And the third is checking whether the owner's address is same or not. So deployer.address is same to the ethdaddy.address or not. So this is a simple contract. I just want to let you know what's going on inside uh, developing an small contract backend using the hard hat and testing it with the JavaScript. So hope so this video is very useful for you. So make sure to subscribe and as well as like my channel. So any queries can be solved when you put the queries on the comment section down below. Make sure to check my other videos on Solidity. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Paula Morgan signing off. Bye.